Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is for all you aspiring content creators out there. I've scoured the YouTube landscape to find 5 channels that, with the right strategies, can be monetized in no time. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our tips and tricks. Let's dive into it. Channel 1. Our first contender is It's a Yandy, rocking an impressive 406K subscribers and 261 videos since its creation on April 12, 2023. Now, let's head over to Social Blade to check out their potential income. As of the latest stats on Social Blade, It's a I is estimated to make around $17,000 per month. That's so good for a channel of this size. Now let's see what makes this channel so appealing. This channel only used AI and managed to get millions of views with the simplest method. In the next videos, I will show you how to make this type. If you like this style of videos, write me the name of this channel in the comments and I will tell you how to make it. Channel 2. Moving on to the second channel, we have Neural Nuggets. With 460K subscribers and 450 videos since June 1st, 2023, this channel has been steadily growing. Let's check out its potential income on Social Blade. According to Social Blade, Neural Nuggets is making around $18,300 per month. That's some serious cash flow. Stay tuned as we explore the content that's driving this channel's success. As you can see, this channel has only used AI to make its videos. The method of this channel is similar to the first example, but with a little creativity, he was able to earn a very good income. To learn how to make channels with this style, you can write the name of this channel in the comments so that I can explain all the steps of making it to you. Channel 3. Next up, we have DG Meme, a hidden gem in the YouTube world. With 26K subscribers and 60 videos since 2 months ago, this channel has been quietly building its audience. Let's see what Social Blade has to say about its income. Social Blade predicts that DG Meme is making around $5,400 per month. Not bad for a channel with this level of engagement. Stick around to discover the secrets behind its success. Using free animal videos and combining them with painted images is the secret of this channel's success. Channel 4. Our fourth channel on the list is Guesser. Boasting 242K subscribers and 292 videos since 1 year ago, this channel has been on the rise. Now, let's dig into its potential income on Social Blade. Social Blade estimates that Guesser is making around $13,900 per month. Impressive, right? Let's uncover the content that's driving the revenue for this channel. Making entertaining videos and testing intelligence is the best answer to achieve the secret of this channel's success. Making these types of videos is very, very simple. If you want to know how these videos are made, write me the name of this channel in the comments. Channel 5. The last and certainly importunist, we have Joshua Java. With 1.56 million subscribers and 56 videos since September 9th, 2023, this channel has been steadily climbing the YouTube ladder. Now, let's see what Social Blade predicts for its monthly income. Social Blade suggests that Joshua Java is making at least $64,900 per month. That's some serious potential. Stick around as we unravel the content that's driving this channel's success. As you can see, this is only a combination of colors, but mixed with intelligence. There you have it, 5 YouTube channels with incredible monetization potential. If you're looking for inspiration, check out these channels and see what strategies you can implement for your own success. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube empire. Until next time, happy creating!